Hello everyone, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. Zoom will be streamlining the available screens for joining a Zoom meeting. While this new way of joining won't fully take effect until April 22nd, Zoom will allow curious users to take a look at it early. To do this, you will need to have the latest version of the Zoom desktop app. If you are not sure how to do this, check out Coley's tutorials for Zoom in the wiki. First, you need to go to canisius.zoom.us and sign in. Then find and click on Settings in the left-hand sidebar. From there, under the Security section, find the new waiting room and join before host experience, which is below the waiting room options. Toggle the button on the right. To take full advantage of the new Join Meeting screen, we also need to make sure that the Always Show Video Preview dialog when joining a video meeting option is turned on. To access this setting, open up the Zoom desktop app. Click on the gear icon to access settings. From there, go to Video on the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you see the setting. Make sure it is checked. Unfortunately, there is not an easy way to try this out except with another colleague who is the host of a Zoom meeting. Additionally, if you have already set some of the options in your waiting rooms, this new process will not affect any of those options you have set up previously. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.